Hello, students of class 7. Students of class 7. Students of class 7, Secondary Mission School, Zanjarpur, RS. You are most welcome to our channel SMS Education Point, Zanjarpur, RS. In civics, chapter 3rd, the name of the lesson is, the name of the heading is, how the state government works. How the state government works. Students, there are some questions whose answer I am telling you. I have already sent the written answers on the screen. You write and also listen to me the answers. First question है, use the term constituency and represent to explain who an MLA is and how is the person elected. Student, question है, use the term constituency and represent to explain who an MLA is and how is the person elected. Each state is divided, answer है, this is the answer. Each state is divided into different areas or constituency for the elections. The people elect one representative from every area or constituency, who then becomes members of the legislative assembly. Members of the legislative assembly short में MLA कहते हैं. These MLAs belong to different political parties. These elected MLAs represent their areas or constituencies. MLAs are accountable to the people. Question number 2. How did some MLAs become ministers? Explain. Question 2 है, how did some MLAs become ministers and explain. Answer. A political party whose MLAs have won more than half the number of constituencies in a state can be said to be a majority. The majority is also called a ruling party. The ruling party choose a leader of the party, then the governor invites such person to be the chief minister of the state. In this way, the governor appoints the chief ministers and the other ministers. Question number 3. Why should decisions taken by the chief minister and other ministers be debated in the legislative assembly? Again, listen to the question. Why should decisions taken by the chief minister and other ministers be debated in the legislative assembly? Answer. The chief minister and other ministers have to take decisions and run the government. However or whenever, however and whatever decisions are being taken have to be approved by the members of the legislative assembly. MLAs can ask questions, debate and decide where development work should be and where money should be spent, etc. They have the main authority. It may be possible decision taken by the government is not useful for the people of the region. The people can oppose and reject the decisions. So there should be a debate in the Legislative Assembly. Students, in this way you completed the 3 question answers of chapter 3, how the state government works. Now you will do yourself some of the questions in this chapter and remember them. Students of class 7, I suggest you, I advise you, you must prepare a fair notebook. क्लास 7 के स्टूडेंट्स, आप लोग अवश्य ही, वैसे तो हर एक सब्जेक्ट का फेयर नोटबुक तैयार कीजिए, और यह सिविक्स जो मैं पढ़ाया हूं अभी तक पढ़ा रहा हूं वो सबका फेयर नोटबुक अवश्य तैयार कीजिए, बिकॉज योर फेयर नोटबुक विल बी चेक्ड. आपके फेयर नोटबुक चेक किए जाएंगे, उस पर आपको मार्क्स दिए जाएंगे. जैसे कि आपको पता है कि नोटबुक के लिए, फेयर नोटबुक के लिए अलग से मार्क दिए जाते हैं. यदि आपके फेयर नोटबुक तैयार नहीं रहेंगे तो उसमें आपको माइनस मार्किंग होगा, 0 मार्किंग होगा. इसलिए इट इज बेटर फॉर यू टू प्रिपेयर अ फेयर notebook, write neat and clean, read your book, and also try to read at YouTube the video we are sending to